partnering with Six Flags Magic Mountain. I'm the creative director, and we just announced some amazing new stuff for 2018. And this year we have announced a new maze called Dead End. We also have announced a new scare zone called Damned in Disguise, which is an actually transforming scare zone with a metamorphosis and multiple times throughout the evening. We have some of our friends over here that will be initiating that, so we won't go into too much stuff. I want to keep it a secret. We also have extended 2 additional days for Fright Fest this year. We have a new VIP haunted tour experience with the all-new 6 Foot Under Club. It's located in our new Metropolis area, and it's just going to be a fantastic year this year. And those of you who are hardcore season pass holders and ride fans, we are doing the Rage of the Gargoyle attraction at the new Revolution. So come visit us. We actually start September 16th. We run all the way through November and beginning of November, and we're just going to have a blast. Hopefully you can join all